Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing a bit of a more modern type of extreme pompadour haircut. And I know this is going to seem kind of like we're going pretty quick on this, but I'm going to break this down. I used, and you can use or get this done, a zero guard. You can get, this is a, skin fade type. I mean, this is super, super short, aka almost like flat top in a sense. This is something, again, very, very different. I know we're now in a different era, 2023, and maybe for some this isn't what you want. However, if you are looking for something a bit more of a shorter, lower maintenance for yourself type of, style, then this may be the one for you. And really, this is all about just going with those super, super short fades. This is, believe it or not, a bit disconnected. And the way to go about doing this, especially if you're doing this on yourself, it's really just about going from the shortest guard or no guard, the shortest blade, all the way to kind of the longer one, and not being afraid of cutting your hair a bit on the shorter side. And you can see here, I'm just taking that clipper and I'm going right through the hair. So yes, this is something that may be a little bit easier to do for yourself because you're just going from, guard to guard. However, the challenge comes in this area because you have to connect all of that. Again, depending on how you're going to approach this, you can try to do this with scissors. You could try to do this just with the clippers, but the goal of this is to leave the hair a bit longer in front. Now, some may not want so much length in front, and then now we're talking basically like flat top area, like a traditional type of flat top. This is something that's a bit more modern as opposed to, just super, super short on top. This is something, again, where we're leaving some length in the front, as you can see. And what I'm doing is I'm just going back because I may end up feeling, okay, this is a bit too long. But you can see how if you're trying to do this yourself, it could be slightly difficult simply because of the angles and the precision that you have to do in through this. But it is disconnected in those corners, as you could see. And that's how we're accentuating. But there is the blend. There it is. Again, not the easiest to do on your own. However, this is something you can try to duplicate yourself. Keep in mind, if you do get this haircut, the maintenance on this, it's very, very short, which means once it starts growing back in, which could be like a week to 2 weeks, then you're talking about getting it redone or doing it yourself, because to keep up with this, it's a lot of work. And if you are seeing any sort of weird things in the hair lines, it's the way the hair was stitched in. There's nothing I can do about that. I used, I would say my crafted matte pomade would be great. Tidal Wave would be great to get that volume. And then just go and blow dry it and style it and finish it with the matte pomade. But again, this is not for everyone. However, I just want to show a different type of, pompadour type of look that's a little disconnected. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.TheSalonGuy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.